So at first select your Kali Linux virtual machine and then go to settings, and in settings go to USB. After going there, just plug in your device, and after plugging in your device you will see here is a plus sign. Just click on that and you will see an option of this Realtek 802.11 NIC. Just select that and click on OK, and just check on this box you see here and then click on OK. After that, remove your device, then click on start. Now in order to enable this device we need to run a series of codes, and let's see how to do that. I'll open a file where I have all the codes saved. I'll provide you with the codes in the description of the video. So these are all the codes I'll be using, and then open either the terminal or the terminator. Either of it, I'll use the terminal, and then it's simple. Make sure your device is removed, and I'll tell you when to plug in your device. Just copy this and paste. Okay, now insert your modem. So now it's complete. We'll just close this terminal and open another terminal. So what you need to do is you just take out your modem and just plug in again. So that is done. Now just check. You will be able to see your Wi-Fi here. See, it says Wi-Fi not connected, and you just select your desired network, and I'll show you that my machine is detecting the Wi-Fi. As you can see here, its name is TL-wn722n, and here it is. And it's currently in managed mode.